Hey gang, Nora here, your virtual guide to Norce Commerce, and today we'll have a look at the dedicated export and import functionality for images and files. Let's start with the export. Exporting images is fairly simple in Norce. Just filter out the products that you want to work with, and click Tools, and then Export Files and Images. This will give you an Excel file with all the images attached to the filtered products. Now, let's have a look at how to import images. The following data should be part of the import file, which should be in an Excel format. If you take a look at our documentation, you will find a template to help you get started. Here's what should be included in the file: the part number of the product to where the file should be connected, the language code used for name and description, the URL to where the image can be downloaded, which must be publicly accessible, the code to the file type where the image should be stored. Is variant unique indicates that if set to true, that the file will be attached to the specific variant. If false, it will be connected on a product level. Once you have your file, you can go to Integrations and select Import to import the file. So that's pretty much it. Please take a look at our documentation for more information. Happy importing!